Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Tkaczuk, we're RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to do is talk about the equity markets and where we're at right now. Basically, the equity markets have been correcting most of May, and it was a pretty mild correction, although time seems pretty bad. And the reason I say that, if you looked at specific software sectors, there are a lot of stocks continuing to hit new high, even though the S&P and NASDAQ continue to falter and go down. Regardless, last Monday we had a pretty good shakeout where it pretty much knocked everybody out. And the next 5 days in a row, Tuesday the S&P and NASDAQ recaptured its 200-day moving average, and we're up every day last week from Tuesday to Friday. In fact, you look at a weekly chart, we had an outside week where we had big volume on a weekly bar where it took out the lows and the highs of last week and puts us back in a confirmed uptrend. And again, the tip-off here was that software stocks continue to do extremely well, and there are a lot of assorted medical stocks that continue to hit new highs. And that told you that was just a pretty orderly pullback after we had those massive gains since the lows from the start of the year. Now, going forward, still a little bit work needs to be done. The Russell 2000 small cap index is still a little bit below its 200-day moving average. It'd be great to see that get over, and same with the Dow Jones Transportation Index. So a little bit caution here, but pretty much we're going forward. Need to be in the stocks that are showing the highest relative strength. And it's namely a lot of the names we've talked about over the last few months, stocks like Altasian, symbol TEAM, or Coupa Software, COUP, Okta, OKTA. And these are not buy recommendations. These are just type of stocks that are continue to hit new highs. Even a stock like Roku, ROKU, continue to hit new highs, move up while the market's moving down, and that's the strongest sector, and those are the strongest stocks, and that's what you want to look at, so-called relative strength, when you're looking at what to be in. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Tkaczuk, our RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week, and keep your eyes open for that high relative strength.